Hello dear students, welcome back to the lecture series of digital electronics. In the previous video, we had discussed what is number system and different types of number system. In this video, we will discuss the different types of number system in detail. So let's start with first one number system, and most important in digital number system is binary number system. Binary number system. Okay, a binary number system use two distinct value, 1 or 0. Okay, and largest value in this binary number system is 1. Okay, so how binary number system works, let us discuss. Okay, in binary number system, if we have a number, for example 12.125 in decimal number system, and if we want to convert this number into a binary number system, okay, that means we can use only 0 or 1 to represent the given number in the binary number system. Okay, so first step to convert the given number in the binary number system is divide the given number into two parts. First one part, that is integer part that is 12, and second one part, that is a fraction part, and fraction part is 0.125. If we add both these value, 12 that is integer part and second one that is fraction part, then we get the original number 12.125. Okay, so we will convert the given number into a binary number system into two parts. First one part for integer part and second one part for fraction part. Okay, so for integer part, let's start the conversion from decimal number system to a given binary number system. So first step, write the integer part and divide the given number with 2. Okay, divide by 2, then we get the answer is equal to 6 and remainder is equal to 0. What you need to do, first write the given number, that is the integer part, here over here. Okay, and divide by 2 because we want to convert into a decimal number system to binary number system. So if I divide 12 with 2, then 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 and the remainder is 0. Okay, here is the remainder value, and here is the quotient value. Okay, you have to divide the given number until the given number is converted into 0 or 1. So if I divide again with 6 by 2, then I get 3 as quotient and remainder is equal to 0. If I divide again by 2, then 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 and I get one remainder 1. Okay, if I divide 3 by 2, and then 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and the answer is 1. Okay, remainder is 1 and quotient, that is the 1. Okay, so first step is to write the given number, given integer part is equal to 12. Okay, and divide with 2. So you get the quotient is equal to 6 and remainder is equal to 0. If you divide again 6 divided by 2, then you get quotient is equal to 3 and answer remainder is equal to 0. Divide again until you get the final answer is 0 or 1. Okay, when you get the final answer is equal to 1 or 0, then you have to write the given answer from bottom side to upward side. Okay, so the conversion of 12 into binary number system, decimal to binary number system, is equal to, first you have to write 1, second time 1, third one time 0, again 1, 0. Okay, so this is the conversion of 12 or integer part of a given number into binary number system. Okay, for a second one example, for example, I want to convert 18, that is a decimal number system, into a binary number system. So what I can do, I can divide 18 divide by 2. 18 divide by 2. Then I get the quotient is equal to 9. Okay, and remainder is equal to 0. If I divide this 9 number divide by 2, then I get quotient is equal to 4 and remainder is equal to 1. Okay, if I again divide 4 by 2, then I get quotient 2 and remainder is equal to 0. If I divide this 2 again by 2, then I get answer 0. You have to divide until you get answer 0. Okay, and remainder is 0. Now the final step to convert the given number into the binary number system, you have to write this answer from left hand side to right hand side and the downside to upward side. So you get the final answer. So in this case, we get answer is equal to first thing that is 0, first thing that is 1, second thing that is 0, third one bit that is again 0, fourth one bit that is 1, and last one bit that is 0 in the binary number system. Okay, so this is the process of converting an integer part into binary number system. Okay, what you have to do, you have to divide the given number by 2, then you get one answer and one remainder. Okay, then you have to divide the answer by 2 until you get answer 1 or 0. Okay, and you have to note down all the reminders. Okay, all the reminders, and the final step, you have to write down all the reminders into the bottom side to upward side, and that is your final answer in binary number system. That is the procedure for integer part only. But if you have convert the fraction part into the binary number system, then you have to do same process but with multiplication. So in our case, the fraction part is equal to 0.125. You have to multiply with 2 because the base or binary number system works on base of 2. So multiply with 2. Then we get the answer is equal to 0.25. Here you have to write down the integer part for 3 to 4 times. Okay, so the integer part is 0. Integer part is equal to 0. You have to multiply this 0.25 again by 2. Then you get answer is equal to 0.5. The integer part in the second step is equal to 0. You have to multiply this 0.5 by 2 again, then you get answer is equal to 1. You have to note down 1.0. Okay, you have to note down the integer part is equal to 1. Now what you have to do, you have to write upward to downside, inverse process. You have to note down the binary value is from upside to downside and the part is integer part. So the value of 125 decimal number and the conversion of decimal number system into binary number system from upside to bottom side. So value is equal to 0.0, first one bit 0, second one bit is equal to 0, and third one bit is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the process of binary number system. To convert the binary number system into the decimal number system, you have to divide the given question into two parts. First one that is integer part and second one that is fraction part. To convert the integer part, use this method by dividing given numbers by 2 and note down the final answer from left hand side to right hand side and then bottom side to upward side. For the second part of fraction, you have to multiply the given number by 2 and note down the integer values in each step. and then to write the given number in the decimal number system, you have to note down all these integer values from upside to bottom side. Okay, then you get the answer is equal to 0.001. And to write the final value into the decimal number system to binary number, from decimal number system to binary number system, is equal to 12.125 in decimal number system is equivalent in binary number system is equal to first thing, that is 1100.125, that is 125. The binary numbers of 120.125 is equivalent to 0.001 is 0.001 in binary number system. Clear? I think you get the final idea about how to convert a decimal number system, how to convert decimal number into a binary number system. Okay, so next point, that is how to convert a binary number system. Next point, that is how to convert binary number system, binary number into decimal number. How to convert binary number into decimal number. To convert binary number system into the decimal number system, let's take one example. So for example, if you have number in binary, okay, for example 1110 in binary, okay, 1101, and you have to convert this number into a decimal number system. So what you can do, you have to write the given question like this, okay, then you have to multiply with, in the given number you have to write down the least significant bit and most significant bit, then you have to multiply the least significant bit by 2 raised to 0, next one bit by 2 raised to 1, next one bit 2 raised to 2, and next one bit 2 raised to 3. Okay, you have to multiply all these values with least significant bit to most significant bit. 2 raised to 0 indicate 1, 2 raised to 1 indicate 2, 2 raised to 2 indicate 4, 2 raised to 3 indicate 8. That means you have to multiply each of this number with this binary number, with this binary numbers or binary bits. Okay, so if I multiply 1 multiply by 1, then I get 1 plus, and then you have to add this number in next bit. So 2 multiply by 0, I get answer is equal to 0. 4 multiply by 1, then 4 multiply by 1 is equal to 4 plus 8 multiply by 1. 8 multiply by 1 is equal to 8. Then I get the final answer 4 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So I get the final answer in the decimal number system is equal to 13. So the given question is a 13 in decimal number system. Clear? If we take the second one example of binary number system, for example, I have one question. For example, we have the value in binary number system 1011, 0.1011 in binary number system. Okay, and we want to convert this number into the decimal number system, Okay, so what we have to write this given number 0.1011, then after point you have to write 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3, and 2 raised to minus 4. Okay, 2 raised to minus 1 indicate 0.5. Okay, 2 raised to minus 1 indicate 0.5. Next one, 2 raised to minus 2, that means 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 indicate 0.25. 0.25. Next one value, that is 1 divided by 2 raised to 3. 1 divided by 8 is equal to 0.125. Next one, that is 2 raised to minus 4. That means 1 divided by 2 raised to 4. 1 divided by 16 is equivalent to 0.0625. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to check the given question, that how many numbers, how many ones in the given question. First one, 1 at the position of first bit is 1. So we have to write 0.5 plus second one bit, that is 0. So 0 multiplied by 0.25 is equal to 0. So no need to add the given number. Third one bit, that is 1. That means we have to add 0.125 plus last one bit, that is 1. So we have to add this number 0.0625. If we add all this number, then we get is equal to 0.6875 in decimal number system. Okay. So this way you can convert the given binary number into the decimal number system. Okay.